My intuition.
Hello Glamazons. So I'm going to be doing a quick and pretty small try on haul from IVROSE. So this is the first time that I've ordered from them, and it might be the last time. It legit took over 3 months for me to get this stuff. So yeah, I only ordered a few things because, like I said, I've never ordered from them before. I did not know what to expect. So I didn't want to order too much. So yeah, let's just get into it. Alright, so the first outfit I'm going to try on is this dress. It looked like it was like satin on the website, but it is not. It's just like a regular fabric. I did get this in a size large. I don't know how their sizing is. I guess I will find out though. So let me go try this on. Okay, so I could have definitely used an extra large in this. So it has like, it buttons up here, and then there's a little space here, and then it buttons down the bottom, and then you have this tie. It does have some stretch to it, but yeah, I could definitely use a larger size. And I think it's a pretty dress, and it's very flattering. I just wish it was a little bigger. So here is the back. The sleeves are a little short, but I am tall, so okay, I do like this. All right, next, this dress is what made me want to buy something from them in the first place. I just thought this was so cute. I really hope it fits. I wish I would have ordered bigger sizes though. I don't know. I'm gonna try this on and cross my fingers that it will fit. Okay, I barely managed to get this zipped up. Yeah, so if you're gonna order from them, I would definitely recommend sizing up from your regular size. As you can see, it's really tight around here, but other than that, I think this dress is super adorable. The straps are adjustable. It does have a lining underneath it, and I just wish it was a little bigger. Here is the back. So I did get a pair of sandals from them as well, but so here's what they look like. And they look super cute, but up close, they look very cheaply made. Like, they kept sticking to something, and I'm like, what's going on? And it's like you can literally see that it was just like glued on to this strap here. So I don't know, but I mean, from far away you can't notice. But oh, I also, there is like a loose string on the dress that I wanted to point out. So the last thing that I ordered from them, it was probably what I was most excited for because I wanted to wear it for my birthday. So it is like this Sequin Blazer dress, but when I opened it, there's a whole bunch of loose threads, which I'm not thrilled about. I don't know how this is gonna be a dress because it's literally, I don't know, like that could just open with a slight breeze. I also got this in a large, so I don't know, here there's nothing. Yeah, there's definitely no way in any reality that this is a dress. Well, at least not on me. Maybe if you're like 5 foot, yes, but so, and I didn't really know what to pair it with. I didn't think just regular jeans would go, so I got these jeans with the little chains. So like I said, there are some loose threads on the sequin area. Other than that, and other than it not being a dress, I do like it. It has shoulder pads. It just has this one button here, but it does have some lining, and I really wanted it to be a dress, but yeah, that's not gonna happen. Alright, so that is all that I got from IVROSE, thank God, because I would have probably just ended up getting more things that were too small. Fortunately, this does fit well as a blazer, not as a dress, but yeah, I'm disappointed. It took forever, and then, you know, a lot of them were too small. However, I am really happy with this as a blazer. What, baby? Okay, well, I need to go show my cat some attention, but let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you've ever ordered from IVROSE, and tell me your experience with it and how long did it take for you to get the items. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.